I for life back, Pomo, Romeo, Pomo. Hey, Jesus Christ of Jebudi.
Are you good? Are you okay?
I'm good. You? Why are you looking for your boyfriend, Abby?
Yes.
He's upstairs.
Are you sure?
I
don't want trouble.
I don't understand this guy.
Hey.
Okay. Hi, my love.
Yeah, your love. For date time, for afternoon time.
How are you?
What's going on? What's this?
Everywhere. Musa, now you. I don't say now you. I say.
Bad guy.
I say for date time.
You carry and come. When are they come from?
Yeah, we're gonna see later for night time. We're gonna see for night time.
We'll not come together. We'll not come together. How are you?
I'm fine. Are you sure everything is okay?
Sure.
So the big bad guy. Yeah, I don't tell you now. If you be content creator, you gonna do content. You gonna get small likes. I don't tell you. Use log spanner. Sharp. They go help you to boost your followers. They're going to boost your likes, boost your comments. You're gonna get views, bro. You're gonna get shares. You know they do this thing for 2026. You know Sabi log spanner, bro. I go tag them now. They sell country numbers too, bro. Hey. No, they waste my time. I go call you later. I beg.
Pio?
For night time.
I know Jesus.
No worry. I'm fine. No worry. Just go. Go.
You know how I can trade my gift card? My uncle sent it for me from abroad, and I don't even know how to go about it. You don't know to. How do I do this thing now? So you could have to.
Man, see you downstairs, sharp.
What's up now?
For daytime, for afternoon time, guy.
What's happening?
Your babe want trade gift card. She don't know how she want to do them. Tell her me she use card sale.
Because we
Card sale now trading app. No my way people they use trade gift card. If you can't use my promo code POMO1, they go wire you 34.
This app.
You use that 34 guide. No tell them. Understand?
Why you not just tell my babe once? They film.
I don't
Why they breathe like this?
Bro, I do alright.
You alright? Just say alright.
Yeah, just go tell her sharp.
Yeah, active.
We'll see later.
Hey, last night was so. Yeah. Don't worry, we'll just later, okay? I'll come off your pints tonight. Okay?
Bro!
How you been? How you stand?
Your schmatos I don't go ask.
You just come out here, sharp. I don't why they shake now?
Bro, keep that girl. That girl a good girl. Forget to. Just keep her.
I want even like, I won't marry the girl.
Don't marry the girl. We are looking
at the soap now for daytime.
For daytime or for afternoon time.
For daytime, night time, midnight time, they see you up and down.
Bro, for tutu time. For your babe time. No, I was just joking.
Wait now, I'm talking to you. Wait now. Why you always avoiding me?
Nothing. I'm not avoiding you.
You can talk to me now. Why you avoiding me? I don't like it. I don't understand. You're just talking to me. You're just. Sorry, I was just talking to you. Okay. Okay, it's your phone.
Babe! Let's be on this one now, babe.
Babe, it's not what you think now. Come, babe.
Leave me alone.